This is the next up 3-minute tech tips. So you have a Pixel phone, and this will probably work with a lot of other Android phones as well. And you want to change the notification sound and the ringtone to something custom. So if you got a custom music or custom tone you want to use, that's what you want to do. So first thing you're going to do, go ahead and download whatever sounds you want to use. Once you have it downloaded, you're going to scroll down to your files folder. And then you're going to see where you have your downloads. So for my ringtone, I'm going to use the Droid Invasion from the old school Droid. And for the notification, I'm going to use Droid. So let's go ahead and do the notification first. So you're going to press and hold, click Move To, and then you're going to go to the internal folder, which is for me the Pixel 3 XL. And we're going to move that down to notification. Moved. Now let's go ahead and go back to the download folder, and let's go ahead and do the ringtone as well. Let's go ahead and move that. So press and hold again. Hit the 3 little dots. Move to. Switch to the Pixel 3 XL. And you're going to move this one to ringtone. Move. Now once you have that moved, you'll be able to go ahead and scroll down to your settings, which that's what I'm doing right now. Sounds. And then let's go ahead and do the ringtone first. So right now I got the Big Adventure at the default ringtone. So let's go ahead and click on that. And I'm going to bring up an option. So for me, it shows the sounds. Go ahead and hit click just once, and it shows my sounds. And I'm going to go ahead and move it to the Droid Invasion, which is there now because I moved it to that folder. Done. And then I'm going to scroll to Advanced. And then I'm going to see where it had default notification. I have nothing there. Click on that. Again, just once. My sounds. Move to Droid. Done. So that was a quick tip on how to make your notification sounds and your ringtones something more custom. Hopefully that helps you out. If you have any other questions, leave your comments below. Again, this is the next up 3-minute tech tip, where we try to get tips for tech done in under 3 minutes. I'm out.